Okay, so once you've finished your music piece, you need to get your link over into Seesaw. To do that, you need to actually embed the link into Seesaw itself. So just double clicking on this and copy and pasting it across will not activate the link. What you need to do is hit the save button. So when you hit save, you'll receive your song is saved at this link. I just want you to copy the link. So just click on copy and it will turn blue. Then I want you to go back to your Seesaw activity, which is here, and I want you to go to the three dots, and that will open up a little side toolbar. Oh, hang on. There we go. And I want you to push on link, and then I want you to paste that URL into that spot there. Then you need to hit the tick, and that will paste your music piece into Seesaw as an active link. So you can see it there now. It's pretty big there, so if we make it a bit smaller and just move it to the side. So then when I come in to have a look at the work that you have completed, I just need to click on that link there. If I click on that, it's going to open up straight to your piece of work that you made, and I can actually listen to it and be able to comment and see whether you've achieved the task of creating a piece that has mood attached to it. I hope that's clear. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to email myself or Mrs. Carlin. We're happy to touch base with you. But yeah, if you could just follow those instructions for adding your link into Seesaw, that would be fab. Have a lovely day and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.